Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you the Esarora Ice roller and also be showing you how I like to use it. So guys, it's box here. It says freeze it, roll it, enjoy it. Ice therapy has so many, benefits not only for the skin but also to do with like healing of injuries, swelling, skin irritation. So guys, this is great for this under eye kind of puffiness, even like on eyelids. If you just like keep it in the refrigerator and start rolling it like every day, even like for just 2 minutes, and you will see some visible difference. And also guys, you can use this tool not only for facial skin but suit yourself. You can use it for like neck if you feel like your skin has started sagging or showing signs of aging. So ice therapy is amazing for like getting that like upliftment. This is little upliftment kind of, I call it like a mini facial at home. So guys, I've nicely prepped my ice roller, just taken it out of the fridge. So it is freezing. So first things first, I'm going to apply some moisturizer. This is important guys, because if you do ice rolling on dry skin, it can cause like some friction and like some damage. So first things first, you need to moisturize your skin. So you could apply a moisturizer, a gel, whatever, even like a serum as well. And guys, see, this is the mechanism. So we have to be gentle yet apply subtle pressure on the skin, but I think after 1 or 2 attempts you will be able to figure out, and it's like 3 to 6 times you will do it. So we can begin with the forehead, and guys, there are these motions like you bring it from center to the corner, right, and back, center to the corner, but with time, like you can always suit yourself, right, and always repeat like 3 to 6 times. So this is feeling freezing at the moment. So maybe on day 1 when you do it, it's gonna be a little like discomforting as well, but with time you just like get used to it. And then we really should focus on our under eye area. So I like to stretch my skin a little bit because I feel then it's just easier to reach that area, otherwise it's just a little harder. So yeah, 26 times, and I'm going to focus a little bit on the jawline. Guys, while you're doing it, you can instantly actually start feeling the difference. You will feel somehow, firstly you'll feel very refreshed because this is cold, this is ice cold. And definitely you will also start feeling like this tightening kind of a impact, because anything which is ice cold tends to tighten our skin, and tightened skin is a more toned looking skin, it's younger looking skin as well. So suiting yourself guys, just try and cover all the areas of your face. This was all about it guys. It took me like I think not more than 1.5 minutes, but this is like that quick upliftment, like I don't know, I feel my skin also feels like little dewy when I do this procedure. So I do it every night without fail now. You can use it while you're watching TV. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video.